Hi guys, in today's video we're going to go over what is personal finance for beginners. This is going to be in short summary what is the most important thing that you should know, consider and practice to be financially stable and in someday to be able to be financially independent. We're using the help of the best AI chat bot. We're using the best help of Bart AI. So let's dive in. For beginners, personal finance can be boiled down to three key points. Point number one, how do you manage your money? Track your income and expenses, essentially creating a budget. I earn this amount of money, I spend this amount of money, this is how I'm going to plan all this. Second, pay off debt. Very important is that there are different strategies in which you can pay off debt. You can start with the one with the highest interest, or you can start with the one that has the smallest amount on it, right? There are different strategies. According to Bart AI, the high interest debt can burden you. Prioritize paying it off to free up your finances could be a very, very good strategy. Point number three, build savings and invest. These both are going hand by hand. You cannot simply just save up money and expect to get rich. You do have to invest this money, right? This money have to grow and they have to compound. Essentially, according to Bart AI, you need to set aside money for emergencies and for future goals. These are monies in the savings side. And what is left, according to Bart AI, should be invested and essentially could help you to grow your saving nest or investing nest or personal wealth higher if you, of course, made the right decisions. It is very important to remember that this is a long-term strategy, guys. You cannot simply build a big savings or big investment portfolio for a short time frame. Simply because you need to follow the market cycles. Sometimes the market is up for 10 to 12 months. Sometimes the market is down, sometimes the market is stagnated, it's not moving up or down. So you need to be very, very careful and you should educate yourself on a daily basis. For more videos like this, guys, subscribe and like this video.